Okay, students, now we'll start with part 2, page number 54. The king was very glad. Now, the king was very happy. Why happy? Because he made peace with his enemy. Yes, to have made peace with an enemy so easily and to have gained him for a friend. Yes, एक दुश्मन को अपना दोस्त बनाया, and that is why the king became very happy. He not only forgave him, उसको माफ किया, he forgave him, but said he would send his men and his own physician. Physician means doctor. What means physician? Doctor. To attend to him. The king then took leave of him and went out of the hut to look for the hermit. Yes, the king went out of the thing and looked for the hermit. Yes, where the hermit was, to take leave. But went out of the hut to look for the hermit. Before going away, he wished once more to beg for an answer. Now, before going away, घर जाने के पहले, the king thought, let me go and ask again my questions. Let me see if the hermit is answering. For the questions he had asked, the hermit was outside on his knees. Now the hermit was outside on his knees. He was bending there. What he was doing? Because one day before he had dug the ground, he was now sowing seeds. Yes, वो बीज बो रहा था. On his knees sowing seeds in the beds that had been dug the day before. The king approached him. The king went near him and said, for the last time, I pray you to answer my questions, wise man. I pray you. Pray you means I beg you. Answer my questions for the last time. Who said this? The king said to the hermit, you have already been answered. Now what did the hermit say? तुमको जवाब मिल चुका है. You have already been answered. Said the hermit, still crouching. Crouching means bending. Yes, वो झुका हुआ था, बीज बो रहा था. And he told the king that you have already been answered. On his thin legs and looking up at the king who stood before him. What do you mean? Asked the king. Now the king asks, what do you mean? मेरे को कहाँ जवाब मिला? आपने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. How can you say that I have been answered? Do you not see, replied the hermit, if you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and stayed to dig these beds for me, अगर कल आप मेरे पे दया नहीं खाते और रुके नहीं मेरे लिए, मेरे काम में सहभागी नहीं होते, you would not help me, what would have happened? You would have gone back and been killed by that man. Yes, that man whom you saved, he only would have killed you. So, the most important time was when you were digging the beds. The most important time was when you were digging the beds. Digging the beds means helping me to dig. And I was the most important man. And to do me good was your most important business. So see the answer. What was the answer? That when you were digging the beds for me, that was the most important time. Yes. Then who was the most important man for the king? The hermit was the most important man. And to do me good, तुमने मेरे लिए अच्छा किया, that was the most important business. Afterwards, the most important time was when you were attending to that man. When you were attending, looking after that man, caring for that man. Yes, you were caring, you were bandaging his wound, caring for him. Yes, for that man, to that man, for if you had not bound his wounds, if you wouldn't have taken care of his wounds, you wouldn't have tied his wounds with the bandage, he would have died. Yes, the man would have died without having made peace with you, without तुम्हारे से शांति का ये नहीं करता. He wouldn't have taken, he wouldn't have forgiven you, or you wouldn't have forgiven him, and he would have died without becoming your friend. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. Remember then, there is only one time that is important. And which is the most time that is important? Now. Now means the present. Yes, because see, past is all over. You should not sit and cry about it. Future is uncertain. The future, जो आने वाला कल है, it's not certain. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Past जो हुआ है वो भूल जाने का. Maybe it was a not good thing. Yes, but what is there? The present, जो वर्तमान है. Now is the most important time. It is the most important time because it's the only time when we have any power. वो हमारे बस में है. Yes, we have the power. हम लोग को उसके ऊपर power रहता है. Yes, we can do whatever we want in the present. We should not keep on telling, ओ मैं करूँगा, कल करूँगा, परसों करूँगा. Yes, और मैंने किया, कितना अच्छा किया. वो रोज थोड़ी होने वाला है. So now is most important time because it's the only time when we have any power. The most necessary person is the one with whom you are, जिसके साथ तुम हो at the present. That person is the most important person. You cannot tell, oh, I was with that person yesterday. Arey, wow, so nice. Or I will be with that person tomorrow. No, you have to see it in today. And that time, who is there with you is the most important person. For you do not know whether you will ever have dealings with anyone else, and the most important thing is to do this person good. और जिसके साथ हो उसका अच्छा करो. Yes, do good, because if you do good, you will get good. Yes, you will do bad, you will get bad. Okay, and you should not think that oh, I will do it tomorrow, I will do it, I did it. No, at that present time you have to do it, because for that purpose alone were you sent into this life. Because of that you were sent into this life. For what? To do good to others. Yes, because if we do bad to others, yes, what will happen? God also will do bad to us. If we do good for others, in return we will get good. Yes, so life, students, is just like a mirror. Mirror, एक आईना जैसा. You look at it and you cry. What will happen? The mirror also will cry back. The reflection in the mirror, yes, will cry. If you look at the mirror and you smile, the mirror will smile back. Means the person in the mirror will smile back. That is you. Yes, and with whom you are, you will naturally, that person will be the important person in your life, because it is that person for whom you can do good. Yes, and that person can do good to you. So never forget this. For this only we are sent to life. So students, this is a very nice lesson, a good parable. Parable means a story which gives us something to learn. It is like a moral. Moral यानी हम लोग को इसमें से कुछ सीखने को मिला है. Yes, and this story written by Leo Tolstoy. Yes, in a form of a parable. Okay, now we'll continue with the activities in part 3. Okay. Bye.